is the one. Bring him to me.
Start of another day. Hey Richard, are you awake yet? That's weird, he never wakes up before I do. And it isn't my birthday yet, so it can't be a surprise party. Hey, have you guys seen Richard anywhere?
No clue.
I haven't seen him since yesterday.
Probably off terrorizing someone.
Have you checked if he transformed into something really small? Sometimes he does that when he has nightmares.
I have checked, but I'm sure he is fine.
So you finally awakened. My boss will be excited.
Who are you?
My name is Superstar Joe.
That is an awesome villain name.
Thank you.
Well, look who's finally awake.
Hey, we were having a conversation.
You may call me
Dr. Duplicitous.
With your power, we can defeat those cringeworthy heroes you call friends.
I wonder what that was. Oh my goodness guys, you need to come out here.
Please tell me you have something.
I have an anti-robot laser, but I need time to assemble it.
We'll give you all the time you need.
Alright, sister, you distract the claw arm, while Scarlet distracts the cannon arm. I will distract whoever is driving.
They sent out people to attack us. They will fail. Joe, Bingo, no mercy.
Target destroyed, Doctor.
No, you moron. Look.
You don't need this arm, do you? Not bad, eh?
Yeah, whatever.
I gotta have an arrow for this.
Our laser has been blown up.
Our claw arm is on fire. We need to retreat.
It insults me that you spineless losers believe that I don't have a plan. Attention, idiot heroes. If you make one more attack on our robot, we will dispose of your friend here.
Stall them, I'm almost done.
Hey, what is your backstory?
If you are trying to stall me, it won't work.
I'm not, I'm the distraction.
Behind you.
Doctor, you will pay for this.
I'm done. Fire.
Mitch, no.
Everyone over here.
What have I done?
Look. I'm glad to see you're okay.
Me too, sister.
Sorry, I almost killed you.
It's okay, at least I'm alright. Hey Scarlet, guess who's?
I was worried.
Sir, it was crazy. They destroyed our robot in a matter of minutes.
There was a hero who nearly killed the doctor with his blade.
Silence! The swordsman. What was his name?
Please, sir.
You two take a break. Dr. Duplicitous, this is your chance at redemption. Do not fail me.
Yes, sir.